Hey guys, it's Ashley here with Smart Sense Mom, and today I wanted to talk to you about my favorite survey site, and it is Branded Surveys, and I'm going to just kind of walk you through the different things that you can do to earn on Branded Surveys. It used to be Mintvine, so I'm sure you've heard me talk about Mintvine before, but so I just wanted to give you a look, and I haven't cashed out or redeemed my points in a while, probably like a month. Yeah, it's been about a month. So you can see I have 3,000 points, and that is equal to $30. So 1,000 points is $10. And if you look down here, like if I took these 9 surveys, I would qualify for another 1,000 points. So, it's really I love it, for a couple of reasons. There's always surveys to take. I usually qualify for most of them. And if I don't qualify, then I still earn, a few points. It's not a lot, but it also doesn't take long to find out that you don't qualify. So the dashboard is really easy to use. You can see, here's my points. You can look at your survey history. You can look at local deals and offers, which I don't really do those very much. I pretty much stick to the surveys. So if you scroll down here, these are members and like how much they've earned, who the top earners are for the month. And this is month to date. So for this month alone, this guy has already earned $40, which is awesome. So you can see like it's doable, like you can earn cash with this. So that's it. This is one of my favorite ones, and I wanted to show you guys today. So one of my other favorite parts is the daily poll, and that's right here. You just answer the question, do you follow politicians on social media? And I'm going to say no and submit. And it shows you this, and then you've earned 5 points. So even if you only have time to log on and take the daily poll, you can still earn like 50, I can't remember exactly what it is, but you can earn 5 points. And then if you do it for 10 days in a row, you earn an additional 50 points. So they just really encourage you, to come and take the daily poll. Even if you don't have a lot of time, that's so quick just to log in and answer that question, and you've got 5 points. And over the course of time, you can earn, enough to, get a gift card or, a little bit of extra cash. So you can look at it that way, or you can spend more time and take surveys and be one of these top people who are, it's only the first week of August. So this guy has earned 4,000 credits. That's pretty awesome. So there's some other ways that you can earn. I pretty much stick to the surveys, but you can earn with local deals. So they will show you these deals. You get a discount and you earn points for shopping kind of like through them. So like for this one, Brick Universe Lego Fan Expo, my kids love Legos. So that could be something that we did. If we wanted to get tickets, we could go through here. We'd only pay $15, but after we purchase our tickets, we earn 60 points. So you can do that. There's, all kinds of deals on here, lots of teeth whitening. But you get the idea. So if you wanted to buy any of these, then you could do that and earn points. So that's local deals, and then offers. So the way this works is you can sign up for these things, any of these things, and you earn points for signing up. Sometimes you sign up and you have to like give money to sign up. Or like maybe you give your credit card information and then you cancel the subscription. Like that's one way that you can do that. You can earn some money. And there's all kinds of different things. So like if you ordered for Gillette on demand, just any of these there's just a lot of different ones. See, this is a trial promotion. So if you sign up for it, then you earn 252 points. You just want to make sure that you delete, before the end of the promotion, or not delete, but like cancel your subscription. So that's how that works. But each of these offers different types of things. Like if you signed up for Ebates through this, then you could earn 42 points. Yeah, there's just all kinds of things that you can look through here for. And it might be worth taking your time if there's something that you actually want, or we're going to get anyway. Like I saw Hulu. If you don't have a Hulu subscription and you subscribe through this, you can earn 550 points, which would equal $5 back. So, and I'm guessing that's just for the first month, just when you sign up, not each month. So that's another way that you can earn more points. And then one of my favorite ways is to invite friends. So you have a referral code that you can use to share with, Facebook. Like they even show you on here. You can send it in a Facebook message, a post, or to Twitter. And as an elite silver member, you earn 50 points every time you refer an active elite silver member. And as a elite gold member, you can earn 200 points every time you refer an active elite silver member. So, that's pretty awesome. And you can show, there's friends that you can download. You can download just your link and share it, however you want to share it. And it's pretty easy to do. That's also I share my link through my blog. So if somebody comes through my blog and signs up, it's no cost for them. And they're still able to, sign up. They're still able to sign up and, I earn points and they start to earn points. So it's just one of those like freebie kind of things. Like it doesn't cost them anything and it doesn't cost me anything. So it's a fun way to help other people make money. So you can look at it that way, and share share with whoever you can. Start your own blog and share. Start a Facebook group, talking about ways that you make money or save money and share that way. There's lots of ways that you can find referrals outside of your family and friends. But that is always a good place to start. All right. So today we are going to, do a little referral train. And if you're not a member of Branded Surveys, you can, I'm going to start and share my link. And if you want to join, if you'll join through my link and then place your link underneath mine in the comments, and we will share, so the next person that wants to join, if you'll use the last person in the comments, that way they get the credit. Okay. And we will hopefully spread the love, and I hope you guys enjoy using Branded Surveys. It really is one of my favorite ways to earn and super easy to use. All right. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.